We've all been there. You're rushing out the door, brain fried after a long day, and then it hits you. Wait, how many hours did I work today? Scrambling to remember becomes a frantic search through receipts and memory. But what if there was a way to check your hours quickly and easily, right from your phone? Well, for those of you working in the restaurant industry and using TouchBistro, there is. TouchBistro's got your back when it comes to keeping track of your time. In today's video, we're diving deep into how to check your hours on TouchBistro. No more late-night guesswork required. Now, TouchBistro offers two main ways to access this information: through the mobile app for employees and the web app for managers. We'll explore both options, so you can find the method that works best for you. Checking your hours on the TouchBistro employee app. Let's say you're an employee and just finished a busy shift. You want to know how many hours you clocked in for. Here's what you need to do. Open the TouchBistro employee app. This app should be readily available for download on the App Store or Google Play. If you haven't already, make sure you've downloaded and logged in with your employee credentials provided by your manager. Navigate to the timesheet section. This might vary slightly depending on your specific app version, but typically, there's a dedicated timesheet or schedule section within the app. Look for icons or menus that represent these functionalities. View your logged hours. Once you've located the timesheet section, you should see a breakdown of your recent shifts. This will usually display the date, clock in and clock out times, and the total number of hours worked for each shift. Pro tip: some versions of the TouchBistro employee app might allow you to view a specific pay period by selecting a date range. This can be helpful if you want to see your total hours for a particular week or two. Checking your hours on the TouchBistro web app for managers. Now, if you're a manager and have access to the TouchBistro web app, you can also check employee hours. This can be useful for payroll purposes or simply keeping track of team schedules. Here's how to do it. Log in to the TouchBistro web app. Head over to your TouchBistro web portal and sign in using your manager credentials. Navigate to the staff section. Within the web app interface, locate the section dedicated to staff management. This might be labeled staff, employees, or something similar. Select the specific employee. Once you're in the staff management section, you'll see a list of all your employees. Click on the individual employee whose hours you want to check. Access the timesheet. Within the employee's profile, there should be a dedicated timesheet or schedule tab. Clicking on this will reveal a detailed breakdown of their clocked hours, similar to what employees see on their mobile app. Additional features and considerations. While checking your hours is a core functionality, TouchBistro offers some additional features worth mentioning. Labor reports. Managers with access to the web app can generate comprehensive labor reports. These reports provide valuable insights into overall staff hours, overtime, and payroll costs. Exporting data. Both the mobile and web apps might allow you to export your timesheet data as a CSV file. This can be helpful for keeping your own personal records or sharing them with your manager for specific needs. Remember, functionalities might vary slightly depending on your specific TouchBistro version and access level. That said, these steps should give you a solid understanding of how to check your hours on TouchBistro. No more late-night scrambling. With a few clicks, you'll have all the information you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.